Car Story research indicates this vehicle as competitive listing price. Features also include rear view camera, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2017 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.